No, guys, I'm going to do this. I really should do this. So I'm hoping that we are retesting this line now. And then I will add a short. This is too beautiful to not play this one. So let me know what you think. It can be that I'm pretty stupid about this. Now let me just a second. Fuck it, I'm out. Why can't I push this button? What the fuck is happening? Market close. Just doing it. Okay, I just did it, guys. No, something's wrong with this. Yeah, so where are my trades, guys? What is happening? This is so exciting. I'm going to market sell. Ah! Why, oh why? Why, oh why am I doing this? Guys, let me know, what do you think about this move? Is it smart or not? Is this smart or not? You know what? I'm going to do this bybit. Come on, pump and retest this. Guys, let me know. Am I doing a good thing on this or not? Let me know. No, this is stupid. I may not do it. I may not do it, but we fell out of this one. We fell out of this one. I should do this. So let me open a short. Fuck it. So, right now I got two trades on. One long and one short. This is so stupid. And this one will end up in a huge loss. Probably. Now, where should I put my stop loss? Where should I put my stop loss? The shorts are building up, guys. 4.6 million. The battle is on. You guys see this? Can you guys see this? The whales are playing games, guys. 8,000. Minus 15. Where should I put my stop loss? Right above this wick. So I'll give it about $900 difference. Guys, please type in the chat. What should I do? What should you do? I mean, we have that bearish divergence on a 4-hour. Say this. We are at the top, at resistance right here. A correction should be normal, right? A correction should be normal. It doesn't not correct do. Amount of Bitcoin going down. Let me check out 5-minute. Yo, what is do what you always do? I closed my bybit trade. I just did it. What do you mean, Mr. Yo-Yo? I really think we're going to retest this to then fall further down. It wouldn't surprise me anyway, so... So Yo-Yo, let me know, what should I do? What should I do? Also guys, here, the 12 hour. The 12 hour is also curving down, the money flow is going down. If a red dot pops up, that's never good at the 12 hour. Trading is fun, guy. It's fun. I think we need a correction for a strong uptrend. Yeah, you're right. That's what I said in my previous video. Now, if I can also take that correction to the downside, then it will mean a lot of gains. It will also mean a higher position to the upside. The question is, where will the bottom be if I take the short? It will be so amazing to see 40,000 to get retested. That will be nice. And it would make sense also. It would make sense, of course. But this is crypto. And we had that buy signal a few days ago. And only, I guess it was 1 or 2 times out of 12 signals that the price went down instead of going up. So fuck it, I'm doing it. One more time. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry. This isn't looking good. This isn't looking good. But a bar pattern down should simply make sense. It should make sense. So this is my bybit one. It's for it's for 1 Bitcoin almost. So this is what I call counter trading. What I'm doing basically right now. will be shorts piling up, guys. This is pretty what a fight. What a fight. You should also act like as a little bit of support right here. So I can draw a box right here. The question is, will it hold as support? I'm going to put my stop loss at 45,000 in case it gets triggered. Right here, so stop loss 45,000. I will secure 8,700 US dollar. So, and in case that thing triggers, I will add a short. Why is crypto so difficult? And on my bybit trade, I will add a stop loss at 46,200. 46,200. 46,200. If that triggers, I will lose 800 bucks. That's fine. That's all fine. Just in case, guys. Just in case. What do you think of retesting the highs of daily chart? That's 40,500. Let me check. You mean this one, right? Well, that should make sense. Because this and this should be a channel where we can go sideways on. So yeah, it all makes sense, but I have seen things like this before where we go, everybody's FOMOing in, we take your money, you die, everybody's panic selling, and yeah, we just blast off and fuck you. You FOMO in again. We have some liquidation weeks, and then continue further. But a retest of this line is surely possible. Exactly like you are saying, like resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. We broke, so now we should retest this thing as new support. Or at least this green box should be retested. So yeah, let's see how this plays out, guys. Now my wife is away for now, so it's exciting. But it's also crazy that I'm starting a short at green daily candles. It's crazy. But the regular candle is red, so there is a good possibility that we're going to drop. 12 hours red already. Money flow is curving down. It's a bad sign. Check what's happening at the 4 hour. We got the bearish divergence. The money flow just crossed below the 0 line. Let's zoom in again. The 1 hour. The 1 hour momentum is curved down below the 0 line. Money flow is going down. Yeah. I shouldn't be surprised to see this thing go down. Here is the resistance. Here we have a diamond pattern. So yeah, it makes sense. But the question is, will it be smart? What if it plays out to the other side and we just continue further up? Then I would have a bad position if I close this one. So right now I'm giving this one playroom just in case we do break this green support box. And I will lock in 8,700. And my bybit will go in the green. Who's trading, guys? Who is taking this short? On the other hand, this short should be so easy. Should be too easy to be true. Diamond pattern against resistance. Simply can retest. There is divergence. Money flow going down. So the price should drop. That makes sense, right? Always stick to the original plan. Yeah. You are 100% right, man. You are 100% right. I feel such a push. A push. Push. Are you shorting, Eric? Are you doing something? Are you still in your long? I am still in my long right here, but I'm locking in the profits, because if you never take profit, you will never have it. And that's something that you will learn the hard way. If you don't lock in your gains, then you will eventually fail. So Eric, let me know. Are you going long or are you shorting? What are you doing? What's your plan? Because together we learn more and we see more. Yeah. And just like that, there we go. Look those orders, guys. If I only was a whale and I should have one order like this. Imagine. It looks like we are getting there. It will be so sick if this thing plays out. But the thing is, this is a support zone. And I also have another issue, Eric, and that is that I do have a few Binance accounts, and I'm not sure if you are getting those emails, but to do KYC and you can only keep one account, so I should close this one and withdraw the funds to another one. And that sucks. And I'm 100% sure that I'm not the only person in this world that has the same problem. Because if you have more accounts where you run like trading bots and stuff, then that's a really pain in the ass. So yeah. Let me vape a little bit. So guys in the chat, how are you doing today? Let me know. And please like this video. Just give it a like. This is very fun to do, actually. Especially when your wife is gone and you have time. It's exciting, right? So anybody who's entering the chat, let me know something, guys. How are you doing? What are you going to eat today? Are you going to eat pizza, or have you seen a panda lately? just shoot, guys. Just shoot. Now it's still going up, but the money is flowing out of the market. Yes, it is. The money is flowing out of the market. Guys, show me something in the chat. The battle is on. The battle is on, guys. The bulls are here. And I really hope that they are here to stay and invalidate this diamond. So falling down, retest. Now what's going to happen? Now what is going to happen? We had this spike and we had another outflow because this line is going down. This should be the retest of this trend line, guys. Do you like trading patterns? Honestly, it gives you an idea of what is likely to happen. And I'm using everything that I see as confirmation. So I'm seeing this diamond pattern, which is a bearish pattern. And if I then see the bearish divergence at the 4-hour, that's also another very bearish pattern. We know that we went up like crazy without doing a retest. No retest of the 40k level, no retest of this trend line. We also know that the money flow, so the money into the market, is going down. And there was another one, the money flow divergence. It also has a divergence on the money flow. So yeah, and we are at a huge resistance line, which is this box right here. So only if Bitcoin got like Superman injection and flying and kryptonite bulls behind it, we can fly through this. but you can see how much trading went on in this level, how much resistance, how much support we had. You can clearly see it. So if we are not going to drop down, we are bullish like never before. If this thing just blasts through it, I mean, sell the house, sell the kids, we are going to 200k for sure. So now, for now, I only closed my bybit trade. Mr. Yo-Yo, does this makes any sense for you? I hope this makes sense. I'm not sure what you're thinking of this. Also, this is my trade right now. So yeah, we can go the wrong way. And I'm giving him a playroom here. But the trick is to have balls of steel, because this counter can go into the negative for about $400-600, but I just made 4,300. So the risk to reward is pretty high in my opinion. So just let me say that we touch 43,700. 43,700. 43,700. That should give me $1,500 in a profit. But let's imagine that we really drop to this line and retest the 40k. Every altcoin will be red like crazy. So 40,600. 40,600. Oh, did this wrong. $40,600 will give me another 4,500. So I'm really thinking that that's a likelihood. So just in case, this thing will play out, I can make 4,500 and I can lose 800, which is pretty fine, right? And in the worst case scenario, if we fall down, then this trade will close and I will keep 8,600 in a profit. So today I'm locking in 12k if it plays out, and I can gain another 4k. So it will go to 16,000 if this thing is triggered. Am I going to add a short with my other account, with my big account? No, because I'm going to clean a lot up there and do some things. You like trading patterns, always looking for more confirmation. But it's still a game of whales. Yeah, that's true, man. That's true. I mean, if you see what's happening here, like, I mean, guys, 1.6 million, just like that. It's like telling your wife, oh, I just did a 1.6 million trade. And the best thing of all is you can see that these orders are placed by servers, by computers. Like here we had like 5 orders at Bybit. Here we had a cluster of Binance orders. These are just trading algorithms against each other. Nothing more than that. You see? And all we are just a glitch in the system. Our few $1,000 are not going to make any difference at all. And trust me, these guys, they're all living in Dubai and having beach parties while their computers are creating patterns and to mislead us. And that's the reason why you always have to keep a possibility open that even though you see this pattern, even though you see the bearish divergence at the 4 hour, the higher time frames, the more likely it is to play out these divergence, guys. Now, just to give you an idea what the latest divergence did. Here we had a divergence, the price went up, but then we had a huge drop. So it didn't play out immediately, but it did play out. Here the same thing. Did it play out immediately? No. But eventually it dropped. Now let me go back. Another divergence. Where do I see another divergence? This one? No, this was a bad one. But eventually it dropped. But that's not what we are looking for, right? Here, this divergence, yeah, this one was spot on. This one was really great. Yeah, it went up to touch the trend line to then drop. But that drop was really a lot. This one, this divergence. This one was one of the biggest ones and a really great one. So the more things, bearish things that you see, I mean, I'm not saying that we are going down like crazy, guys. Here, see this one from here, 58,000 to 56,000. Okay, we went back up to then fall and fall. That's 50% dump. Yeah, let me read the chat. So that's a hope. Let me read. Always stick to the original plan. Yeah, that's a failure for one account. But the plan is also to gain some money, and if you never take profits, you will never have it. Let's hope we are next to one. I just took my profits. Great, man, great. So Eric, can you tell me what you see that you think we will go down? Just retest and then a bigger pull down. Oh, so you think that we are going really to drop to all the way. So first of all this one and then retest 30k, or what do you think, man? Just let me know. Always taking stops before going down. I'm pretty curious how this is playing out, guys. I am pretty curious. I only see pandas when I eat special stuff. Okay. I'm pretty curious how this trade is going to play out, guys. What are you doing? Let me know in the chat. Are you longing? Are you shorting? What's the game plan? I can be wrong. I can be wrong. I just see lots of things. Stick to the plan. Always stick to the plan. Until it fails. And then you see all your profits being gone. So that's the reason, guys, why, I mean, this is support. You see there are lots of buying orders. Simply also, you see this week went all the way down to then get bought up immediately. But here the same happens in the other way. So but indeed we fell through this support line. So, and we, if you zoom into the other, you see that we retested it. We fell through, we retested. So I really think that the dump is coming. How high will the dump be? I have no idea. I have absolutely no clue. Not at all. But I put my stop losses in place, I put my take profit in place. Somewhere there is that little voice that tells me like, hey, please trigger my order. There we go, guys. Are you vaping? Yes, I am vaping. I'm vaping for 5 years now. And this Sunday I went to the night shop and my wife still smokes and I had to buy a package of cigarettes and I bought Marlboro Gold. And you know what happened? She told me you have to pay €16.50. €16.50. Yes, it was a big package, but €16.50? Come on. That's so expensive. I mean, I can vape 2 weeks for that. Are you vaping, Yo-Yo? Expensive. Yeah, it is expensive. Come on, man, just drop and retest. Just as I was saying in my videos, if you don't have a retest, guys, then that's not healthy in the market. We should really enter this zone right here at least once to then go back up and break it. And let's see what happened in the past. So when Bitcoin broke down and retested that, what a mess. Oh, what a mess. There we go. Oh, you vape also for 3 years? Nice, man. Look this, look this. You see this? The lungs got a lot of lungs got liquidated. So we are still not at 45,000. So my lung is still open. Now, what was I looking at? I'm going to look to what happened in 2017 when that second bull run started. So we touched the second leg of the bull run. So right here we are touching it. Then we went up. And then we had a drop. This one was a huge shakeout. Let me take the measure tool. It was a 40% shakeout, guys. 40%. It's massive. It's crazy. And that will hurt the all so hard if that happens again, to then continue simply the way up. Yeah. Am I out already? No, not yet. We are getting there. Is this stupid? Yeah, probably. That's probably the most stupidest thing I've ever done. But at least I'm doing this live on YouTube, and yeah. And we're going. And it's gone. And I'm up 12k. And right here we are pumping $300. This is going to hurt a lot of guys. I'm pretty sure of this. Now for all my altcoins, my stop losses are all in place. So that's the way that I'm doing it. Okay, man. Have a nice day. So guys, as I told you, I'm going to leave my short open. And yeah, another 200,000 liquidated long. Look, those shorts coming in, guys. Look, those short coming in. So you guys see bearish divergences at 4 hour. You should not laugh at them, but yeah. What was my entry? 45, 300. Don't tell me you guys liquidated my long to then pump the price. My dog is here. He wants to play. Here we go. Crazy. Guys, I'm going to stop this live stream. My stops are in place, and yeah, I'm not going to put my stop loss at my entry because that's possible that that gets triggered. But anyway, it's a nice payday, and that's the most important thing. And it's always the most important thing to keep the most important thing, right? So we are now falling down a little bit, about 300. I have the night shift and I can go to work now for, yeah, let me say that I'm getting paid about $100, $150, maybe. And I really should talk to my boss. Because this is too easy to not doing this full time. Anyways, guys, I'm off. Have a nice day. Please like this video. Oh wait, I have another. That's the first green line. I meant with the major blue line. But hey, I'm new in these things. I learn a lot by listening. Yeah. And it's better to learn from my mistakes. Because I'm not, of course, I'm still confident that we are going down, because else I would never close my shorts. But since this is crypto, I know that you can see crazy things, just like what's happening now. See, I had $300 profit. Right now, I'm just at 110. So for as long as the price goes into your favor, yeah, everything's fine, and you're making money, and that's so you feel amazing. But I once had a position that was about 5,000 in the red, and I just had to stick my head into the sand and not looking to crypto anymore, and going to walk with the dogs and going to our horses and stuff like that. So yeah, if this support fails, that will be bad. But anyway, you see the diamond pattern, and yeah, it's not going up, right? It's going down. So unless we can have some chip chop right here to then fall further down, but the main goal is to fall down. How stupid it is. Also, guys, maybe something else that I can tell you guys. This yellow line here is the 21 moving average, exponential moving average. And you can see that it acts as support and it acts as resistance. It acts as support. Here it acts as support, and here it acted as resistance, support. So it's also a nice line to draw. Yeah. Resistance, support, resistance. See, I mean, You see what I mean, right? It's like the most things are easy to draw lines. So in case you don't know how to add an EMA, you go to indicators and type EMA. And then you type moving average exponential. Guys, I'm going to leave you. I'm going to order a pizza. I'm going to leave my trade open. Have a nice day. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's pretty new. And if you guys want to trade on Bybit, then check out my links in the description. Bye bye. I'll see you tomorrow.